Now to our coronavirus coverage. Federal health officials have given the green light for children as young as 5 to get the new updated COVID vaccine.
As KRON 4's Dan Kerman tells us, Bay Area doctors say the news is coming not a moment too soon.
Less than a third of Americans aged 5 to 11 have had their first 2 doses of the COVID-19 vaccine. For those that have, though, federal health officials have okayed the updated Omicron-specific COVID-19 booster for those as young as 5 years old. Bay Area infectious disease experts say federal approval has come just in the nick of time.
We anticipate more cases this winter and late fall. So I think it's great to have kids now 5 and over being able to be protected with this vaccine.
Older Americans are most at risk for having bad outcomes if infected with COVID-19. But Bay Area doctors say young people are not out of the woods and must be protected.
Children are not immune from being hospitalized, from having long COVID, long-term complications, or from dying. And all of us who are in practice have seen these things happen, and we don't want them to happen to children if there's a safe and preventable way to address COVID-19.
Tuesday, federal officials estimated 13 to 15 million Americans have received the updated booster so far. For those that haven't, they say you should get the jab by Halloween.
Why Halloween? Because it takes a couple of weeks for your immune system to kind of generate the benefit from that vaccine, and that means you will be ready by Thanksgiving and certainly by the holidays.
Federal health officials say getting the updated booster will make a huge difference. They cite a Commonwealth Fund study which found if 80% of eligible individuals age 5 and older receive their booster dose by the end of the year, it would prevent approximately 90,000 deaths and more than 936,000 hospitalizations over the next 6 months.
What happens in the weeks and months ahead will have a large impact on how the winter goes. And really what happens in this winter is largely up to us.
Dan Kerman, KRON 4 News.